In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a contact sheet in Photoshop. So you'll need to do this for your mining. And of course, the reason I'm showing you this is to easily organize your 30-day challenge for your compositional studies assessment. So I know you can't see the top of my screen, but if you're in Photoshop, this is real easy to do. The hardest part is making sure all your files are organized. So first you want to make sure that your files are all in your Google Drive and that your Google Sync and your backup and sync from Google is running. So that would be your blue circle and cloud at the bottom. And again, like I said, I'm letting you know you can't see the top of my screen. So just make sure that that black cloud is up at the top, top. There's where my mouse is going, the top. And the file menu bar at the very top in the gray, that cloud is black so that things are running. Otherwise you'll have to go and double click down here and get that Google Backup and Sync running. What you will then do is in Photoshop choose File, and there is an Automate option. You would choose Contact Sheet. Okay, so this dialog box comes up and it's wanting to choose a folder or files. In my case, I'm going to choose a folder. Mine's already set up, but I would choose from my Google Drive. In my Photo 1 folder, I have my 30 days spring, and here is everything. So I would just choose this folder, open that folder, and it's going to include everything in that folder. So I'm going to hit OK. It's going to take a minute or so to get this running. You can fit up to 30 images on this contact sheet, and it makes it real nice so you can kind of see everything at a glance. It will also help if your images are already renamed in Google Drive, because that will pop up on your screen. As you can see here, it just takes a minute. And you can see that I have my images here. Anything that is vertical will remain vertical because I didn't choose to turn it. And I guess obviously it will go 1 and then 10, then 11 and 12. That's how mine goes. It's just kind of annoying. But anyhow, they're all JPEGs. Only JPEGs will show. So if you've done anything with editing, you'll have to make sure that it's a JPEG so it's visible here. So then what you would do, this is all created for you. It's one file. You would go up, do a file, save as, and then make sure, of course, that it is a JPEG. And we would call this, whatever the assignment is. In this case, it would be, midpoint compositions. This is a mid-semester, just kind of doing a little check there for you. Hit save, and then you would upload this file. So this is going to be real nice when you have compositional studies that you need to share with me for your projects. So as long as you keep everything organized in a folder, for example, with this abstract project, everything's, if you keep it all organized and everything's in there, this is a nice way. Then you can upload at the end. You'll have your final image and then your compositional studies. So then that way you just have 2 files to upload, and then you can include your concept statement right there in Schoology, and everything's all tied up in a nice little bow.